Welcome, all of you. After going through the various tests on a cement, we go through the point hydration of a cement. It is the chemical reaction between the cement and water. The exothermic reaction between the water and cement is known as hydration reaction. And due to this hydration reaction, the cement act as the bonding agent, which is known as the hydration of a cement. So the hydration of a cement means the reaction between cement and water due to which the cement is set and become hard. So hydration process is continuous till the heat and moisture are available in the cement. So the water is most important factor for the hydration of cement, and the hydration of cement is very important as it is responsible for setting and hardening of a concrete. So if there is no hydration of cement, then there is no setting of a cement. So we require to hydration of cement for setting and for getting a strength to the cement and to act the cement as a bonding agent. Next is water required for hydration reaction. It has been estimated that average 23% of water by weight of cement is required for chemical reaction. So 23% of water by weight of cement is sufficient to complete the chemical reaction, that is hydration reaction with a cement. That 23% water chemically combines with cement and therefore it is known as the bound water. So this water is totally combines with the cement and hydration reaction is completed due to this quantity of water. Therefore this water is known as the bound water. Gel water of about 15% by weight of cement is required to fill up the pores in a cement paste. So 23% by water by weight of the cement is sufficient for completion of the hydration reaction, but there is some pores are available in a cement paste. So to fill up these pores in a cement paste, we require extra 15% water by weight of the cement, and which is known as the gel water. So therefore total 23% for chemical reaction plus 15% to fill up the pores in a cement paste, that is equal to 38% of water by weight of cement is required for complete hydration reaction. So 38% by weight of cement is requirement of the water for a complete hydration reaction. If less than 38% water is used, then complete hydration reaction is not possible as the volume available is insufficient to complete the hydration. If less than 38% water is used, then there is a insufficient hydration or the process is become incomplete. Hence, the strength of concrete will be reduced. So for complete hydration reaction, minimum quantity of water is required 38%. Next, if more than 38% of water is used, then the excess of water will causes undesirable capillary cavities and concrete become pores. If more than 38% water is used, then it will causes the voids or the pores in a concrete, and it will also affect the strength of a concrete. So For complete hydration reaction, the 38% of water by weight of the cement is sufficient. So it is about water required for hydration reaction. Next point is grade of the cement. There are three grades of the cement, that is 33, 43 and 53. So first we go for the grade 33. 33 grade cement, as per the Indian standard, that is IS, the grade of cement 33 grade of cement means the compressive strength of cement after 28 days is 33 Newton per mm square. That is, after testing the cement for compressive strength, 28 days curing, the blocks are cured for the 28 days, and if we tested the cement for compressive strength, then it will have the compressive strength 33 Newton per mm square. Then it is known as the grade 33 or 33 grade cement. 33 grade of cement is not suitable for making the more than M20 grade of concrete because it is having the low strength. Because of its lower level of strength, OPC 33 grade cement is frequently used in plastering for smaller residential and commercial construction. So it is useful for the plastering work because it is having the low strength, lower level of the strength, and also the low heat of hydration. So when we use in a plastering, then it will develop the less cracks as compared to the other grades. This grade of cement has a low compressive strength. This type of cement is generally used for the building compound walls, parapet walls, etc. So where the strength is not important factor, then we use the 33 grade of cement for the construction work. Next is 43 grade cement. As per Indian standard, the grade of cement, that is 43 grade of cement, means the compressive strength of cement after 28 days is 43 Newton per mm square. If we test the cement for compressive strength and it is having the strength 43 Newton per mm square after 28 days curing, then the cement is known as the 43 grade cement. Growing in a strength, the OPC 43 grade cement is frequently used in a plastering, non-reinforced concrete structure and area where the time of initial setting is not as an issue. Means the 43 grade is having the more rate gain in strength than the 33 grade of the cement. It is used for the plastering work and where the initial setting time is not important during the construction work. 43 grade cement has been used in a precast cement blocks, cement tiles, specific pipes, and many non-structural aspects of the construction project such as the flooring, wall plastering, and the same works. So it is also useful for the various construction projects like the flooring, wall plastering, because due to the low grade, same as 33, it has the less heat of hydration due to which there is the development of the less crack when it is used for the plastering work. So it is useful for the plastering work, flooring work. This type of cement is used for making the plain cement concrete, that is PCC, and for plastering the wall, brick work, mortar, precast items like tiles, cement pipes, etc. Precast items which are casted on a factory, like the door frame or window frame, which is available in the market, which are casted in a factory. So these type of the items are known as the uh, precast members, and this for making this precast member, we can use the 43 grade of a cement. Next is 53 grade cement. As per Indian standard, 53 grade of cement means the compressive strength of cement after 28 days is 53 Newton per mm square. The cement having the compressive strength 53 Newton per mm square after 28 days curing is known as the 53 grade cement. One of the stronger grade of the cement used in OPC is 53 grade cement. It is the having the greater strength, so it is the stronger grade of a cement. This cement has much higher compressive strength than the 33 and 43. So it is widely used in the construction project. It is having the greater compressive strength than that of the other two grades, 33 and 43. So it is useful for the all type of the construction project. This include pre-stressed concrete construction, precast paver and reinforced concrete construction. So it is useful for the precast pavers, pre-stressed concrete construction and RCC work. It is useful for the concrete which is made to withstand wear. 53 grade cement is also used in the road, bridges and even airport runways. So where the wearing reaction is more, in that case we can use the 53 grade of the cement like the road, bridges and airport runways. 53 grade cement is also known for its faster setting properties, allowing it to use for the fast construction project where strength is needed. So where we require the early strength for repair work like the roads, bridges. So we use the 53 grade of the cement so that it will be repaired in a less time and also have the greater strength. So these are the types of the or the grade of the cement: 33 grade cement, 43 and 53. Some properties are given, that is IS requirement for compressive strength of cement. The table shows the values, that is standard values required. First given is the compressive strength in Newton per mm square and the curing period or the age of the curing or concrete cement block is mentioned, that is 3 days, 7 days and 28 days. If the grade 33 is the cement or the cement of 33 grade, then after 3 days it will, after 3 days it should have the compressive strength minimum 16 Newton per mm square. After 7 days 22 Newton per mm square. After 28 days 33 Newton per mm square. If the cement of grade 43, then after 3 days minimum compressive strength required 23 Newton per mm square. After 7 days 33 Newton per mm square. After 28 days 43 Newton per mm square. For 53 grade, the minimum strength required after 3 days 27 Newton per mm square. For 7 days 37 Newton per mm square. And for 28 days 53 Newton per mm square. So these are the IS requirement for the grade of the cement after the curing days, that is 3 days, 7 days and 28 days. So to check the grade of the cement, we can use this table or the IS requirement as the guideline for checking the grade and the strength of the cement. So it is all about the hydration reaction, water required for hydration reaction and the grade of the cement. Thank you for joining with us. Thank you very much.